with compass, and welcome to my newest listing, 45250 Volt Terrace, Unit 102 in the beautiful Warm Springs district of Fremont. Here, you are literally in the heart of the entire Silicon Valley. This 2019 built home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and just under 2,500 square feet. The community is also amazing. There's an incredible swimming pool, clubhouse, fitness center, and so much more. Come, take a look. Thank you so much for touring this home with me. If you have any questions or would like to take a private tour, please feel free to contact me or anybody else on my team.